Sponsored by.
The ties between India and Maldives continue to go on a downward trajectory owing to the Muslim-dominated country's India Out campaign, which the Maldivians too seem to be riding on now. In a grievous incident that came into light on Wednesday, 2 Indian tourists were assaulted in the Maldives, subsequently injuring them near the Central Park in Halhumail, around 7 km northeast of Malé. As per the latest updates, the local police have detained a Maldivian citizen in the case. However, the incident has upset all Indians ever since the news broke amidst India and Maldives worsening ties since the election of pro-China President Mohammad Muizzu. According to the Maldivian police, a clash broke out between the Indian couple and Maldivian citizen, as a result of which the Indian couple sustained serious injuries while the suspect is in police custody. The reason for the dispute remains unknown as of yet, and the investigation is underway. Since pro-China leader Mohammad Muizzu came to power in the Muslim-dominated country, riding on the back of an India Out campaign, the ties between India and Maldives went on a downward trajectory. Although Muizzu has faced considerable criticism from his opponents in Malé, his pro-China policies, followed by a haphazard visit to China in the last year, further deteriorated the relations between both nations. Soon after a trail of unfortunate incidents, India boycotted the island nation, as a result of which Maldives witnessed a massive drop in the number of tourists from India in the first quarter of 2024 itself. As per records, over 34,847 Indians travelled to Maldives from January to March this year, as compared to 56,208 tourists visiting Malé during the same period in 2023, dropping the spot to number 5, an all-time low in its history. However, it seems that the Maldivian citizens are buying the snake oil being sold by the anti-India Mohammad Muizzu, as the shocking parliamentary election results revealed that the pro-China leader won a staggering majority. As per the latest results, Muizzu's People's National Congress won 66 out of 86 seats, giving the party a powerful majority exceeding 2/3 of the House. The results are being called the super victory for Maldivian President Mohammad Muizzu, as the island nation has never witnessed such a win ever in the country's history. Meanwhile, China is pleased with how things have turned out in Maldives since the past year, as Muizzu's latest parliamentary is all set to provide China its strategic base for its so-called research ships in the Indian Ocean. Yet, pro-China Muizzu's win could potentially backfire on Maldives, as the island nation might fall into China's debt trap, the way Sri Lanka did, and later on India came to its rescue to bail out the country. This could possibly happen because Maldives is actively taking loans from Beijing, while China is carrying out developmental projects for Maldives.